I think there are two types of people in this world. The ones who love broccoli and the ones who hate them. Well, for quite a long time I belonged to the second category. But then I realized how healthy broccoli actually is, and I can prepare it so that I won't make it smushy and overcook. I will share this with you later in the video. Hello guys, I'm Agnes and this is our Bites Fitness YouTube channel and our Food Fundamentals series. In today's video we are talking about broccoli and why they are so healthy for you. Broccoli is one of the cruciferous vegetables like kale and cauliflower, which are all amazingly healthy for you, and broccoli is no exception. Broccolis are full of vitamins, antioxidants and fiber. Let's see why they are so good for you. First of all, broccolis are rich in antioxidants that have multiple health benefits. They kill free radicals and repair tissues. They reduce oxidative stress and the diseases that might cause, like cancer and other chronic diseases. Cruciferous vegetables are generally known to help reduce the risk of cancer types like breast, prostate, stomach, colorectal, kidney and bladder cancers. They have bioactive compounds in them that reduce cell damage caused by cancer. Broccoli is rich in fiber that support healthy digestion, and they feed the good bacteria in your gut. Vegetables high in fiber and antioxidants like broccoli can help you maintain healthy gut function. Fibers and antioxidants in broccoli also help you control your blood sugar levels. This can be helpful for everyone, especially for patients suffering from insulin resistance and diabetes. Broccoli contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is beneficial for your immune system. It protects the body from infections and diseases, and it can also help you when you have a common cold. Besides this, vitamin C can also reduce inflammation in your body and defends against free radicals that can damage cells and can cause some serious health issues. Vitamin C can also be effective to reduce the risk of heart disease and also helps lower blood pressure, which is a risk factor of heart problems. Broccolis can also reduce your cholesterol levels. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin K and calcium. Both of them are important for strong and healthy bones. They are also good for the joints. The vitamin C and the calcium are known to be able to support dental and oral health. They can reduce the risk of dental diseases and maintain a healthy mouth. Broccolis can also be good for your brain health because of the bioactive compounds in them. They can slow mental decline and also aid your nervous system. In the case of broccoli, it really matters how you prepare it. You can eat them raw or cooked, but they provide different nutrients. Studies say the best is to steam them because they will have the most of their benefits, but if you fry or boil them, it reduces the vitamin C, protein and sugar levels in them. So, it is best to use a steaming basket, or if you don't have one, like I don't, then just cut the broccoli into smaller pieces, put them into a microwave-safe bowl, pour a tablespoon of water on them, cover with a lid and put into your microwave for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then you will have your perfect steamed broccoli. Also, I like my broccoli best with a hint of olive oil and lemon juice and just a pinch of salt. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also send it to a friend who might like it as well. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos every day. And until the next video, bye! At Bites Fitness we help those who are living a healthy lifestyle and make time to cook for themselves by providing health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.